Excellent, right there. Okay. Excellent. Good. So at the vertigo, did you feel it more when you turned your head one way?
No.
No, you just can't. When you foam rolled, you felt the vertigo.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, all right. Feel that right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there. Yeah, it's pretty crooked right in here. All right. So first thing we're going to do is get the pelvis right. Then we're going to get this head sitting back over center, and then this pretty locked up in the thoracic cage, and then we're going to balance that. Okay. When the body's in balance, it shouldn't be doing all that stuff. All right. So let's get this in the pelvis. So line this side, face me. Right here. This way. Good. Good. And turn to the other side. And we're going to come here. This is going to be part of the pelvis. We're going to come up in the sacrum. So, all right, we're going to bring this here. Excellent. Let's have you sit up. And this is where it really gets stuck. And this part of it feels so good to foam roll. Right there. Okay.
It's been helping.
Line the back. That's okay. That needed it. Okay. So you have one carpal bones out there. We've corrected that fine. That's okay there. There we go. Perfect. And it's on the lower cervicals here. It's right there.
Mm-hmm.
So that's it right there. So we're coming up here first. And this one. Nice. Good. That's an area where you used to be afraid, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. There it is. Good. Much better
Feels,
range.
yeah, way looser.
Yeah, much better range of motion. Excellent. Let's go face down again. Good job.
Yeah, it feels way better.